Stadium in Arizona. That's where the big game is going to be played. Yep, Super Bowl 57, less than 24 hours right now. You still hanging with the Eagles there?
I am. I still think the Eagles will pull it out. They're a 1.5-point favorite. I think that it'll be a field goal game. Could be a last-second field goal. I forget who the Eagles kicker is, though, but it's in a stadium. It's in a dome. It's not like you got to worry about winds or rain.
I feel for those Oklahoma fans because you know what? Obviously you have the quarterback, OU quarterback, right? And then you've got to deal with. I'm a Chiefs fan because a lot of people in Oklahoma and Kansas are Chiefs fans, just like we're Cowboys and Chiefs fans up here. So it should be interesting.
It should be interesting. But what won't be interesting tomorrow is the weather. It's going to be a great day. So you can, if you're having a Super Bowl party, you can get out there and enjoy it. There's still snow atop Kavanaugh Hill from that sneaky snowstorm they had yesterday in the higher elevations, despite temperatures there in the 50s. That snow hanging on. It won't be there much longer, though. Probably by Monday, what's left there, the couple of inches they got, will be gone. No snow on the ground anymore or ice in Springdale. Everything is melted away. And it's just that brown ground right now, unfortunately. Same thing in Fayetteville, no matter where you look. It is quiet and very pleasant, though, out there. And look at that sunset across Table Rock Lake. Looks like a Bob Ross painting almost. So how gorgeous it is outside. There's that system that caused that wet weather for areas along the I-40 corridor yesterday, pulling away, bringing quite a bit of rain to the deep south this hour, but not for us. Things are nice and clear, tranquil, pleasant, no matter how you want to describe it. But temperatures, we're cooling off into the upper 40s across northwest Arkansas, even some mid-40s as you get into the higher elevations, Carroll and Madison County. Upper 40s, lower 50s as well for the River Valley. As we go through the rest of the night, things will be nice and quiet. You can see upper 30s, lower 40s by 10 o'clock. Waking up tomorrow morning, maybe a high cloud or two. That's about it. Chilly start, but we'll warm up pretty quickly by 3 o'clock as you're putting all those snacks out as your party guests are arriving, 50s and 60s. And then by the time the game's wrapping up tomorrow, we'll be in the 40s as people head home from their Super Bowl parties. And then waking up Monday morning, we'll be in the 30s. Not a bad start to our Monday. But as we get into the middle part of the week, we are watching for more unsettled weather, especially across southern and eastern sections, south and east of Fort Smith. The SPC boys have a 15% chance of severe weather. Now, historically, severe weather in our area in February is very, very rare. Normally when this happens, over time, this gets shifted further and further to the east and south. So you want to keep checking back with us for updates on what this does. We'll have another update for you tomorrow, but this will be Wednesday night is what we're watching. Where they do have some severe weather is over the Pacific. This is severe tropical cyclone Freddie, which is way out over the Indian Ocean. Winds, though, 130 miles an hour. The good news is it's a fish storm. It's going to move away from, this is the coast of Australia that you're seeing here. So really not impacting anything but shipping traffic. But yeah, it is summer down there. Let's not forget. So it is tropical cyclone season for those folks. But we don't talk about hurricanes very often in the month of February. But tonight, temperatures 20s and 30s. And we'll rebound nicely. A very nice, pleasant day. A little taste of spring, 50s and 60s. And there's a look at the extended forecast, which does feature rain chances. But what's important is I don't think Valentine's Day will be a washout because it's morning rain. So Valentine's Day evening, if you're taking your special someone out to dinner, it should be dry. And then that inclement weather rolls back in here for Wednesday and into Thursday. River Valley, about the same thing with that wet weather here. Monday night and into Tuesday. And then Wednesday night and into Thursday, Paul, and then temperatures cool off as we get toward the end of the week.